Hey guys, what's going on? It's Free the Culture. In today's video, we're going to be doing a review of the Yeezy Foam Runner Ochre. This shoe means a lot to me because it was the first foam runner I ever got. I actually got it by chance. I didn't even expect to win the raffle, but luckily with the support of a friend, I was able to get these off rip for $80. They are a phenomenal shoe. So these shoes come in your standard foam runner box. This shoe box is a little bit different than a lot of the other foam runner boxes that I've reviewed. It's a little bit more like pink tan in some ways. Like if you have a bunch of foam runners, you'll notice that they come in different boxes, different colors, but still it really doesn't matter. So for those of you unfamiliar with the foam runners, you're gonna see foam on top, runner on the inside. It's kind of like an inside out design. If you guys are new to the channel, these might be something foreign to you, but those who have been longtime subscribers know the foam runner model like the back of their hand. I do definitely. I got 6 pairs of these. They have been the shoe of the summer. I've literally worn nothing but foam runners all summer, and I'm gonna explain why these shoes right here are probably the best foam runner model out there. I'm saying that right now. The Ochre takes the #1 spot. So let's go ahead and get an up-close view of the foam runners. The first thing that you're gonna notice is the amount of holes that are located on the shoe. It's a very breathable shoe. That's why I highly recommend it for the summer. You're gonna see 3 holes on the side, a series of holes along the side of the shoe. Think of that as your 3-stripe Adidas branding because there's 3 sets of holes along the side. You're gonna see some more holes on the top and then a reflection of the other side. All right. These shoes are also slip-on, as you can tell. They're laceless. It just has a hole where you'll slide your feet in. Along the top, you're gonna see the hole in which you slip on your shoe. You have a tab that helps you get your foot inside of the shoe. And then along the bottom, you're gonna see a little bit of rigid edges along the bottom of the shoe. You should see like an Adidas symbol on the inside of the bottom. I should have said this at the beginning of the video, but the Ochre is a golden brown shoe. For those of you who are wondering, I know some of the pictures may make it seem extremely yellow, but trust me, these are like a light brown tan shoe, which makes it super versatile. I would even argue these are more versatile than a black pair of shoes, and I'm gonna get to that later in the video. So now we got up close view of the shoe. Let's just go ahead and talk about its comfortability, design, and overall styling potential. You know, the strong points of why you buy a shoe. These shoes are extremely comfortable. I'm sure you already thought about buying the foam runners because people swear up and down they are the most comfortable Yeezy out there. And I definitely agree with that. Out of all the Yeezys in my collections, these are easily the most comfortable, most wearable, easy to slip on shoes because they have a foam design. They're made out of foam and algae, so the shoes are very spongy in a way, and over time they will adapt to the shape of your feet. I love wearing these to work, and I walk a lot on my job. These shoes really support your feet. They don't cause foot pain. You can wear them all day. They're breathable. Your feet won't sweat in them. You can take them on and off at your leisure because they're laceless. The foam runners are really great for people who just want to have something quick to slip on and still look fashionable. To me, these shoes are the future of loungewear, and you don't have to just dress down foam runners. You could dress them up too. In my opinion, the foam runners work well because of their ability to enhance outfits, and they are going to be the statement piece in every outfit. The reason why I feel like the foam runner is the best colorway of the model is because it's so neutral and versatile. You can honestly wear these with any outfit. Yeah, any outfit. These were the second Yeezys I ever owned, and I wore these so much during the first couple of months when I had these because this light brown color goes with anything. There is not a single color that clashes with these foam runners. They are just that versatile. If you were to start your collection of foam runners today, I would highly recommend you start with the Ochre. One, because it's fairly priced. It's only like $200 and some odd in the resale market, which is a little bit exorbitant considering the fact that it's retail for $80, but still, if you're trying to get them, they're cheap, and you are gonna get your money's worth because you can wear them with almost anything. I really can't come up with a big gripe about these other than the fact that sometimes a better color will work. You know, I can't really say much bad things about the foam runner Ochre. I really, really love these shoes. They are the reason why I fell in love with the foam runner silhouette. The only thing that could come to mind that I could say is negative is sometimes you're gonna think, oh, white shoes might go better with this outfit, or something black might go better. So I went ahead and got my Foam Runner Air Rats out for a little bit of comparison to prove my point. To me, white, black, and gray, those are the colors that can go with almost anything. The Ochres changed that rule because this light tan honestly surpasses those neutral colors in a lot of ways in terms of versatility. So what I was saying earlier about like my negatives with this shoe is that sometimes the light brown won't look as good as this white. But there are a lot of times where I'm wearing the Air Rats and they're just too white. They draw too much attention. And these Ochres are so earthy in tone that they can be worn in the same fashion that these Air Rats are, but these shoes won't stand out as much as these white pair will. Now, you could honestly wear these Air Rats with probably just as much as outfits as the Ochre, but to me, sometimes the white, the eggshell white, is just a little bit too much for my liking, guys. So that's why I choose to go with the Ochres a lot of the time. The only thing I can recommend is sizing-wise, go a full size up. There are people on YouTube who are like, oh no, you can definitely stay true to size. Please don't listen to them. So with all that being said, let's go ahead and put these shoes on feet so I can really show you guys the outfit versatility of these shoes. Alright guys, so there you have it. That's our review of the Foam Runner Ochre. Let me know what you guys think down below. Do you guys think this is the best Foam Runner model? If not, let me know which one you guys prefer down below. Did you find the review helpful? Do you plan on copying these in the future? What are your thoughts about the shoes, guys? I appreciate everybody who tunes in and watches the channel. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers, and that would not be possible without you great people on the other side of the screen. So thank you, thank you, thank you. We got more sneaker fashion content along the way. Be sure to like and subscribe for more sneaker and streetwear videos. It's been your man Free. I hope you have a blessed day. Peace.